All right, guys. So I recorded this video already, and afterwards I was like, I want to just clarify it and explain it. And I also included a time lapse of NVIDIA earnings because I made a play, and I'm going to also update the Robinhood account. I'm doing a little challenge here, and pretty much it's my third or fourth day of Robinhood, and now came up, and I've talked about this in the past before, but now using Robinhood, I've got to see it, but I think Robinhood needs to make a very big change, and I think they need to include, and this is the whole point of this, they need to put on the transaction histories when people are buying and selling, and I have a time-lapse video, and I'm showing, because I put in an order, and honestly, I got a crazy fill, and really, I think it needs, one, it kind of solidifies, and this is only one experience too, so let me even say that this is just my first time experiencing it, so sample size is not big enough to determine that this could have just been a one-time thing. And again, there's a lot of stuff related to the stock, but the whole point of this is that if you are last priority of getting filled, it could change a lot, because there's 3 instances of which I could have done, and I pull up the option, and it has to do with I tried to sell my option and I'm not getting filled. You could go 1 cent below, or depending if it's a wider spread, you go below that, or you even go above it, or you wait, and then if the stock goes up, you get filled, and then the price goes up, or the stock could go down, and that could mess up your position, which a lot of people said they don't use Robinhood for that reason, and that's what I'm going to show here. So that's what I want to recap. You'll see the time lapse in the video. You guys could watch the options as well too. And again, this helped a lot of people. You guys,
and I want you guys to understand.
Sorry, go to any of the recent videos. You will see the new live trading channel. We're open Monday through Friday, open to close. I'm streaming, everything. So we had a good stream today. You click that, it'll take you there to the channel, or go to our main channel and click right there, and boom. So here's today's 4 hours. I am going to post recaps for some of you guys today. I'm going to have a few videos posted today, so I hope you guys are ready. But love you guys. Enjoy this. All right, so I thought I'd start recording. You guys could see the clips I was doing on my phone, but I figured I'd record my screen as well as the E-Trade, because I've noticed, I set in my order, and, the question is, does Robinhood give you bad fills? And I put in my order of 33, as you guys could see here. Well, actually, let me pull it up for you guys here on the Robinhood. Let's see, history, NVIDIA placed, and I noticed it's funny. It says when I submit it, but it doesn't tell me the time like all my other brokerages do, and obviously that's pretty important for back testing. So Robinhood, you guys should all tag Robinhood or share this video so that they start adding that, because I think it's really important. It just doesn't tell me the time, and this is why I'm looking. Here's the market depth, and I'm going to post the screen on the, you guys are watching here on the main channel. I thought I'm streaming, but I'm going to post that, and you guys are going to get to see what I was talking about with the market makers and how to read the depth here. But that's me up. See, I don't even think I got filled yet. Oh, there you go. I got filled right as it was going up, and then there was the sweep. So boom, but literally, so pretty much when the algo sweeped and the underlying definitely made the move up, I got filled. So there you go. I took my 10%, and that's why I figured I'd set it as a stop there if I got filled. I was about to go to bed. You guys are seeing with the Robinhood challenge that I'm doing here, I'm treating it kind of like you guys would. You guys have to do work. I was tired. I go to bed. Some of you have other things to do, but and don't worry, I have a cool thing I'm gonna reveal to you of how I'm gonna fund the throwaway, or not the throwaway, the YOLO account. So just stay tuned for that. But this is very interesting, because I know people have complained about it, and I've even said it too. You're getting a free service, so this is what you're getting. And realistically, that could have, I could have chickened out and sold it for 1 penny less, or if the stock went down on me, if I was trading something more volatile, thank God this was a 1 penny spread, which wasn't that bad. This could have ended up pretty bad. So I think that's very interesting that I did get filled last, literally. So here, when did I put it? I don't know when I put it. I put it in about a minute before here. So I put it in, pretty much it took, 10 minutes to fill. And obviously, that is all dependent upon the underlying asset. We're not aware of that. Damn, I could have got 34 cents for it. I could have, dang it. But I was going to go to bed. Man, you guys kept me up, Robinhood. But again, now the spread's widening a little bit. So I thought that was interesting. Let me know what you guys think. What's your experience? And if you guys want to know, this is how you do it. You go look up a level. If you want to look at your Robinhood fills, you guys could do this on Thinkorswim as well too. Just pull up a level 2, pull up a market depth, and you could see, when the order gets filled. But in this case, looking at a level 2, I was able to see my order. That's what I showed in the first video. It's just bouncing back and forth of my position in line, but then it's clear we got last priority. So, and it took a sweep, and maybe we'll talk about that. But the Robinhood turned off there. I'll leave it there. Let me know what you guys think. Honestly, I think this is fascinating. So I'll leave it at that. Love you guys. Subscribe. I need the feedback on this. I want to hear it. Peace.